Samsung all device pattern and password unlock. Pattern password hard reset not work or factory reset not work. First USB in, then volume up, down and power with. Press volume down, volume up and power key. Few seconds. Try. Power on this phone. After again try. Volume down, volume button up and down and power key. Wait few seconds. Work this method. Charging show. Then volume up and power with. Press volume up and power key. Okay. Then volume down. Web data. Factory data reset. Formatted. Then reboot system. Then wait few minutes. Stand and phone. Samsung Galaxy all model method this working. First in USB cable, then volume down and power. Few seconds, 7 seconds. Press or charging logo or volume down, volume up and power with. Then format option, web data, web data, web data. Okay. Latest all Samsung working this method. Welcome. Start. Press. Then agree all. Then agree. Skip Wi-Fi and any data. Then next. More X step. Wait few seconds. Next. Then skip. Then agree. Then next. Then finished. Okay, this phone unlock pattern and password.